Guys, so today I'm gonna be installing this on the s2000. So I already painted it with some primer, just got it ready for the paint. So right now the next thing is gonna be taking this shit off and painting this. So yeah. Oh hey guys, what's up? So when you're gonna spray paint, don't forget to check this shit, you know? So we're gonna start with this first. That way, by the time we take the wing off the s2000, this shit's gonna be dry and ready to be installed. Okay, so when you guys trying to remove this, make sure you check all the bolts through the bottom of the trunk, because I forgot to check one and I literally just ripped the shit off, and there was one right here, and I didn't check the middle one, I just checked these two, and I could have avoided this right here. Pretty much fucked up my trunk, but hopefully the new wing, I think it goes around it, so hopefully it'll cover these little things that I did to the trunk. Okay, so I finished the paint and I let it dry for a day, and then I sprayed the clear coat on. After that I let it dry for another day. So right now it's like the third day or fourth, I don't know, it's been a week already. Put some double-sided tape on here. I already peeled it off. I marked the corners right there. So now I just gotta put it on and see how it's gonna look. Don't fuck it up.